Lisa Armstrong enjoyed a romantic break with boyfriend James Green days after ex Ant McPartlin tied the knot with Anne-Marie Corbett. The makeup artist, 44, checked herself in at the Soho Farmhouse in Oxfordshire for a relaxing few days. The couple, who met before the first national lockdown in 2020, travelled to the Cotswolds village of Chipping Norton to spend some quality time with the electrician, 38. Soho Farmhouse has plenty to offer on its 100 acres of Oxfordshire countryside, including a pool, cinema, spa and gym. Their various rooms and cabins on offer are priced between £250 and a whopping £4,670 a night. Lisa took to Instagram to share an adorable selfie of the pair enjoying their stay in the countryside. The star was all smiles as she posed for the camera in a black shirt, some hoop earrings, and finished the look with red lipstick. Meanwhile, Jack looked happier than ever next to her in a pink t-shirt. Lisa captioned the post, "Perfect few days. At Soho House #OneTheFar, 2 hearts, 2 hearts, 2 hearts." Fans flocked to the comments section to let her know how pleased they are for her. One wrote, "Beautiful couple, heart." A second said, "Lisa, you are looking amazing, 2 hearts, 2 hearts, 2 hearts, so happy for you, sunflower, sunflower." A third added, "You go girl, so happy for you, romantic face, romantic face." A fourth chimed in, "So happy for you, heart." This isn't the first staycation the pair have enjoyed recently. Last week they were living it up in a stunning £280 a night 5-star Hotel Palais Hall, a country house on the edge of Snowdonia. They stayed in the Victoria Room, named after the 10 days the famous monarch resided at the house. The half-tester bed is said to be the one slept in by Victoria herself in 1889, while the bath and basin were also there during her stay. Lisa shared a picture on Instagram and wrote, "Well, if it was good enough for Queen Victoria, it's a yes from me." Their travels come after ex-Ant and Anne-Marie said "I do" in an emotional ceremony in Heckfield, Hampshire last weekend. The Tally star, 45, complimented his beautiful wife at their celeb-packed nuptials at St. Michael's Church. Ant and Lisa tied the knot in 2006, but announced their plans to divorce in 2018. Later that summer he revealed he'd found love with PA Anne-Marie, who was close pals with Lisa. The former couple's £31 million divorce was finalised in April 2020 after a long legal battle, including custody of their beloved dog Hurley.